Hi and happy Sunday. I've been here in the kitchen cooking. In fact, I just did some preparation live in my group, Kitchen 2021. So if you are interested in cooking with me live, please put in a request for that group so you can join me step by step and we can cook together. But I just thought I'd let you know what I'm cooking today. So this afternoon, I'm making meatballs, and I actually blended half turkey and half ground beef. So I have butcher box, turkey and ground beef. Sometimes when you mix two meats in meatballs, it just gives it more dimension. But this same recipe would work beautifully with all beef, all turkey. You can use their bison, a lot of ways to do this. And I blended that together with just a few seasonings and some almond flour and made 16 meatballs out of 2 pounds of meat. I'm going to show you. It's simmering nice, slow and low here. Doesn't that look good? Delicious. And they're just cooking low. Now I always add the fresh herbs later. So these have been cooking for a little while. So always add your spices and dry herbs early in the cooking and give those flavors a chance to mature, and the fresh herbs come later, okay? So this makes a delicious meal prep. Now I'm going to serve mine with Zoodles. You can find that recipe on Sundaymealprep.com as well. But these meatballs go great over any kind of pasta, over spinach, asparagus, and I love it with these Zoodles. I will show a picture of that later when it's all done and on the table. So this is a delicious meal prep and it makes a lot. These heat up really easily. They freeze well. So it's just a great overall easy meal prep. And I've been using the butcher box meats. They're lean and grass-fed, which is awesome. And as you know, I'm a butcher box partner and I have to tell you that they are having a special right now where you can get 7 pounds of essentials free as a new member. So it's worth checking out. Take a look. There is a link here on the site for that as well. And I hope you'll give it a try and enjoy that as much as I do. I'll be back with more recipes. And hi, Tony. Hello. Thanks for joining me. Amy. Hi. Where are you from? Making meatballs. The whole recipe is on Sundaymealprep.com, but if any of you would like to cook live with me, please join Kitchen 2021 where I cook live, especially on Sundays. So, Tawny, get the recipe for the Zoodles. If you don't salt them and soak them, you're going to be ending up with all this liquid in the pan and you get mush. So I went over that technique in Kitchen 2021 and you'll see how to do it. It really makes a difference. Michigan, oh, you're still not getting summer yet, I don't think, right? This meatball dish is so comforting and cozy. I actually picked it today because it was supposed to be raining and terrible weather. As it turns out, I could be grilling, but I still love the recipe, so I stuck with my plan. I do a meal planning workshop every Thursday live in the Kitchen 2021 group where you can ask your questions about making a meal plan for the week ahead that will help you meet your goals, whether it be better health, lower blood pressure, or losing weight. So I hope you'll join me for that as well. Thanks guys for popping on, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll show you the finished result later tonight.